Hello, hello, good evening. Good evening, Min. Hello,
Hello, teacher.
good evening. Wow, it's nice to see you again. How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. And
Sure.
you?
I'm also fine. So thank you so much. Did you already eat your dinner? Did you
Uh,
already eat?
no.
And still no. What time? What time do you eat dinner?
Mm,
After this class?
after class.
Okay, okay. So now are you ready to continue our lesson for today? Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. So now let's continue the lesson that we have last time, which is all about lesson 2, which is things to do. So before we continue the lesson that we have, so let's have a quick review. Since we already had learned some words or the things that most of the people do in a daily basis. So let's review if you still remember what are those words. Okay, so let me go first with this first picture. So this one. What is the girl doing?
Um, she, she's buy,
Yes, very good. Buying. Buying what?
she buys t-shirt. She
Teach.
buy t-shirt.
Okay, very good. And what is the other term or what is the other word for buy? Start with letter S.
Uh, buy sock.
Okay, very good. It's shop. So, since shop and buy has the same meaning, so they have just the same meaning, meaning buying things or buying clothes. Like in the picture, the girl is, as what you have said, she is buying t-shirt. How about this boy? What
Uh,
is he buying?
he, he's buying uh, a sock. I don't
Okay, very good.
buying sock.
Sock or
Sock.
socks?
He's buying socks.
Okay, very good with S because as we can see, so it is a pair of socks, meaning we have two socks. So we will use or we will add S to the original word or word of socks. So very good. So it is our first word, shop. So next, let's have another things that we do. Okay, this one.
Um, theater.
Theater, yes, very good. And what do we do in a movie theater or a theater?
Um, we we
We,
watching we
yes.
watching we watching movie.
Okay, wow, perfect. Very good. So our next things to do is watch a movie, which is what we can do inside a movie theater. So we can watch movies. Okay. When you are watching movies in a movie theater, what is the food that you like to eat aside from popcorn?
Pop
Oh,
popcorn.
popcorn. Aside from popcorn, are there any foods that you eat in a movie theater?
It,
Like
it
fries, French fries?
is
Or no?
fried.
Oh, you also eat French fries? Or like hot dogs? So most of the movie theaters, so they usually sell snacks like French fries, popcorns, hot dogs, and also the sodas like that. So that
Coca-Cola.
is yes. Okay, so that are what we can do or the things that we can do in a movie theater. So watch a movie. So next, let's go to our the next thing that we can do. Oh, you already see the answer, but can you still say what is the girl doing in the picture?
You see, She's borrow books.
Okay, very good. And what is the place that we can borrow books?
Uh,
What is the place?
a library.
Okay, very good. It's the library. So the library is where we can buy or we can borrow books. Okay, and have you gone to a library before?
Um,
Did you already have gone to a library before to borrow books? Or
by
like, oh, you buy books?
yes.
Oh, what are the books that you usually read or that
Um,
you usually like to read?
I usually buy a Pokemon book.
Oh, Pokemon book. Is that a comic book? Comics? Like it has a pictures on it and it has a text.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Okay. So thank you so much. So this is borrow book. So next, let's go to our next things to do. So what is the girl doing?
Mm, um, mm, s- mm,
It starts with letter M.
mm,
So first, what is the place or where is the place um that this girl or where is this girl
mm.
starts with letter P. Pa, pa, post
Oh,
post
house, oh,
office.
house of
Okay, very good. And what do we do at the post office? Or what are the things that we can see in a post office?
uh, s- tick, tick, ticket.
Yes, it can be ticket, yes. But what is the main things that are being received and being sent to the post office? So this is the one that we write. L E T. What is that word? LET.
Mm,
Le.
letter.
Okay, very good. And what do we do with letters? We may
Mm,
starts with letter.
s-
Yes, mail letters. Okay. So that is what we do in a post office, or what that is the main thing that we can do in the post office. We mail letters, we receive letters, or we send letters like this. We mail letters. Okay, so it also can we can also see like what you have said, tickets. So most people also send or mail tickets, but mostly post office are for letters or mailing letters. Okay,
mm,
so next, okay, let's have this one. Okay, what
mm.
is the girl doing? B starts with letter B.
Buy uh,
Bye.
goes accessories.
Okay, okay. Nice try. Let
Groceries.
okay, one more
Groceries.
time. Let's say groceries.
Grocery.
Okay, good job. So the girl is buying groceries. And Mean, what do you think are the things that we can buy at the grocery? What are the things that we can buy at the grocery?
Mm,
We can buy. What are the things that we can buy? Like in the picture, what is the girl buying? We can buy vegetables. Okay, so we can buy vegetables, we can buy food, or generally we can buy the things that we need in our house. So that is what grocery offers to the people. So it is buy groceries. So next, let's move on to our next thing or things to do. Okay, this one. What is the boy doing?
Football.
Very good. Kick a ball. And where do we kick a ball?
Um, in
In the
the park.
Yes, very good. In the park. How about where can we buy groceries?
Um, at at the supermarket.
Okay, very good. So at the supermarket. So good job. So now, let's also review the sentence pattern that we had learned last time. So let's look at this first question here. So can you read the question that we have here?
What's he doing at the department store?
Okay, so let's look at the this man. What's he doing at the department store?
What was he doing at the department store?
Yes, what is this man doing at the department store?
He's shopping.
Okay, very good. So he's shopping. How about this girl? What's she doing at the department store?
She she's shop she's
Yes.
shopping.
Okay, very good. So she's shopping. Nice. So that is how we use or how we answer this question. So what's he doing at the, and we will ask the certain place that is being asked. Okay, like for example, um, what is he doing at the park? Like this one. What is he doing? Or what's he doing at the park?
She's
He's
pick a ball.
okay, very good. So he's kick a
He's pick
ball.
a ball.
Okay, very good. But for this sentence pattern, so we have here um okay. So we have here the ing. Since our root word is shop, but when answering this one, so since it is being asked right now, so the answer should be in the present form. So we will add ing. So he's kicking a ball like that. So we will add ing to the word kick or to the verb or the action word. So that is okay. Let's try this one. What What's she doing at the supermarket?
She's buy groceries.
Okay, shall we add ing in the verb buy? Yes or
Buy
no?
buy. um,
She is. So
She's
we will add ing because it is being asked right now or what is happening right now. So what's he doing at or what she's doing at the supermarket? So she's buying groceries. So for this question, so it is being asked because it is what is happening right now. So we will also answer in the present form. So we will add ing like this, shopping. We will add ing. Okay, one more example, this one. Let's go back to this. Okay, what's she doing at the post office?
she's um She's
She's.
she's mailing letters.
Okay, very good. So mailing letter. So we will add ing. How about this one? Uh, what's she doing at the library?
She's borrowing books.
Okay, very good. So she's borrowing books. So nice. So that is how we answer the question, what's she or he doing? And at the specific place. Okay, very good. So next, let's have some of the examples here. So let's first listen to the audio that we have. Okay.
Page 14.
Can you hear the sound?
B. Listen,
Yes.
ask, and answer. Then practice.
What's he doing at the department store?
He's shopping.
This one. It's this one.
What's she doing at the department store?
She's shopping.
He's. He is. She's. She is.
Okay, let's have the words.
Shop. Shopping. Watch. Watching. Borrow. Borrowing. Mail. Mailing. Buy. Buying. Kick. Kicking.
Okay, so we have here the words. So we have here the words that are translated into that is happening right now. Like for example, shop. So we have here shopping. So for this one, actually, we also added another letter P and ing. So for those word that ends with letter P, we usually add another P, like hop. This one, hop. What is the present form of this verb?
Hopping.
Okay, very good. This one or this one?
Two.
Two piece. Okay, very good. So two piece. Because if we use this word, so it will be pronounced as hoping. So it will be, or it will have a different meaning. So hopping. So we will add another P, like the shopping word, and plus ing. So when we say this verb, an ing verb, so we have an ing verb because it shows an action that is happening right now. So so if we are asked what is happening right now, like the question that we have earlier, so what's he doing or what's she doing at the supermarket? So she's buying groceries, or we can just say she's buying. Okay, like for this one, what is the present form of play?
Playing.
Playing. Very good. How about eat?
Eating.
Eating. Very good. So that is how we transform the root word or the original word into its present form. Okay. So like this. So can you read all of the words that we have here? Like for this one. Can you read shop?
Shopping. Watching. Borrowing. Mailing. Buying. Kicking.
Okay, nice job. So that is how we use or how we transform this original words into its present form. So now let's practice some of the things that we have here. But first, let's listen to the whole sentences.
1,
What's he doing at the department store?
He's shopping.
2,
What's she doing at the movie theater?
She's watching a movie.
3,
What's he doing at the library?
He's borrowing books.
4,
What's she doing at the post office?
She's mailing letters.
5,
What's she doing at the supermarket?
She's buying groceries.
6,
What's he doing at the park?
He's kicking a ball.
Okay, so let's try to answer it again using the present form of the verb. So let's go first with the number 1. So where do you think is this boy?
He's shopping.
Okay, very good. He's shopping. And where he is, or where is he?
He's at the department store.
Okay, very good. So he's shopping at the department store. So number 2, how about this one? Where is the girl and the boy?
They are watching a movie.
Okay, very good. So when we use the subject they, so after that we will add they are. They are watching a movie. So that is one of the example if we are using a plural subject. So they are. For this one, we can just answer he or he's watching a movie or she's watching a movie if there is only one subject in the picture or in the example. But your answer is also correct. So we can use they, but we will use are instead of saying they watching a movie. Okay? Okay, so next number 3. Okay. What
Yes.
is the boy doing at the library, or what's he doing at the library?
He's borrowing books.
Okay, very good. So he's borrowing books. So instead of a book, so instead of using a book, so we will use books without an a, because let's take a look at the picture. So we don't have only one book. So we have 3 books. So the books must be in plural form. So nice, very good. So next number 4. What's she doing at the post office?
She's mailing letters.
Okay, very good. And where can we mail letters?
Post office.
Okay, very good. So at the post office. So next, what's she doing at the supermarket?
She's buying groceries.
Okay, very good. She's buying groceries. So next, the last one, number 6. What's he doing at the park?
He's kicking a ball.
Okay, very good. So that is our transform present form of the verb. So nice, very good. So next, let's check and let's read all of the questions and answer here from, can you read it from 1 to number 6?
What's he doing at the department store? He's shopping. What's she doing at the movie theater? She's watching a movie. What's he doing at the library? He's borrowing books. What's she doing at the post office? She's mailing letters. What's she doing at the supermarket? She's buying groceries. What's he doing at the park? He's kicking a ball.
Okay, very good. So nice job. I can see that all of your answers are correct. So very good. So nice job. So next, let's have another. Oh, so we have here the subject that you had used earlier. So we have here they. So instead of saying they shopping, so we add they are. They are shopping. Or for short, we can use their. We can just only use their for your sentence to not be longer. So it can be shorter enough. So there instead of they are. Okay. So let's practice since we already tackled or discussed about this. So let's practice how we can use um, this question and answer pattern. But for this one, since our subject earlier is singular, so the questions or the question is like this: what's he or she doing at the okay, but right now, so it was different. So the instead of using is, so we use are. So what are they doing at the department store? So if you are being asked by this question pattern with are, so conclude that your subject is they are. But if you are being asked what's or what is, so we will use or he or she is, and what is the people or the person doing. Okay, so let's try this sentence pattern or plural sentence pattern. But first, let's listen to the sound here. Let me just open.
Page 15. C. Listen, ask, and answer. Then practice.
What are they doing at the department store?
They're shopping.
There. They are.
1,
What are they doing at the department store?
They're shopping.
2,
What are they doing at the supermarket?
They're buying groceries.
3,
What are they doing at the movie theater?
They're watching a movie.
4,
What are they doing at the park?
They're kicking a ball.
5,
What are they doing at the post office? They're mailing letters.
6,
What are they doing at the library? They're borrowing books.
Okay, so now let's try answering it with ourselves. So let's take a look at number 1. So what are they doing at the department store?
They're shopping.
Okay, very good. Next, number 2. What are they doing at the supermarket?
They are buying groceries.
Okay, there. Buy or buying?
They are buying groceries.
Okay, nice job. So next, what are they doing at the movie theater?
They are watching a movie.
Okay, very good. Next, what are they doing at the park?
They are kicking a ball.
Okay, very good. What are they doing at the post office?
They are mailing letters.
Okay, and the last one, what are they doing at the library?
They are borrowing books.
Okay, perfect. So nice job. So that is how we can use or we answer the question, what are they doing or what are they? So we will use the subject there or they are. So it is both of it is correct, but if you wanted to be if you wanted it to be shorter, you can just use there. Okay, next. So can you again read all of the things that we have?
What are they doing at the department store? They are shopping. What are they doing at the supermarket? They are buying groceries. What are they doing at the movie theater? They are watching a movie. What are they doing at the park? They are kicking a ball. What are they doing at the post office? They are mailing letters. What are they doing at the library? They are borrowing books.
Okay, very good. So nice job. So now let's have here some activity. So first, what are they doing at the library?
They are borrow books.
Okay, very good. So they are borrowing books. So next, what are they doing at the park?
They are kicking a ball.
Okay, nice. They're kicking a ball. Next, what are they doing at the supermarket?
They are buying groceries.
Okay, buying groceries. Next, what are they doing at the department store?
They are shopping.
Okay, next, what are they doing at the post office?
They are mailing letters.
Okay, very good. And next, what are they doing at the movie theater?
They are watching a movie.
Okay, nice job. Okay, so let's check. Okay, so we have here a song and let's listen to the song here.
Page 15. D. Sing. What's she doing?
What's she doing? What's he doing? What are they doing? What's she doing at the supermarket?
She's buying groceries.
What's she doing at the supermarket?
She's buying groceries. What's he doing at the post office?
He's mailing letters.
What's he doing at the post office?
He's mailing letters. What are they doing at the movie theater?
They're watching a movie.
What are they doing at the movie theater?
They're watching a movie. What are they doing at the park?
They're kicking a ball.
What are they doing at the park?
They're kicking a ball. They're kicking a ball. What's she doing? What's he doing? What are they doing?
Okay, so that is for our question and sentence pattern. So based on the song, so let me ask you some question. So what's she doing at the supermarket?
She's buying groceries.
Okay, very good. She's buying groceries. What's he doing at the post office?
He's mailing letters.
He's mailing letters. Very good. And next, what are they doing at the movie theater?
They are watching a movie.
And lastly, what are they doing at the park?
They are kicking a ball.
Okay, nice job. Very good. So now let's have this. Okay, so let's try to have a role play. So teacher will be the one who will ask the question and you will be the one to answer. Okay? So let's start. So what's he doing?
He's kicking a ball.
Okay, very good. And where is he?
He's at the park.
Okay, very good. What are they doing?
They are cooking a bowl.
Okay, very good. And where are they?
They are at the park.
Okay, very good. So nice. So they are at the park. So nice. Okay. So before we end this lesson, so let's have a quick review. So I have here a game, and let's try to answer this, which is all about also our lesson. So let me just share the game. Okay, wait. Okay, since you are only one. Okay, this Classic Junior. Okay, so can you choose what number you like?
I choose number 16.
16. Okay. Oh, you lose 5 points. Oh no. Okay, next. Choose another number.
I
Actually,
choose
okay, wait. Let me just choose the game options because you are only one. Because this game is for two people or for two students. So let's just use a quiz. Okay, can you choose another number?
number 6.
Number 6. Okay. Okay, what's he doing at the department store?
Means shopping.
Okay, very good. Next, choose another number.
I choose number 10.
Number 10. Okay. What is it? If you still remember.
Is the
It's starts with letter O. Omelette.
omelette.
Okay, very good. So, what is the complete sentence? It's
Is omelette.
okay. A or an?
Is an omelette.
Very good. It's an omelette. Okay, let's check. Okay, very good. It's an omelette. Next, choose a number. Choose a number.
I choose number 7.
Number 7. Okay. What are they doing at the supermarket?
They are shopping.
Okay, very good. Supermarket, department store. Very good. Next,
I choose number 1.
number 1. Okay. What's she doing at the movie theater?
She's watching a movie.
Okay, very good. Next,
I choose number 12.
12.
Yes.
Okay. What's he doing at the supermarket?
He's buying groceries.
Okay, very good. He's buying groceries. So next,
I choose number 5.
number 5. What are they doing at the library?
They are borrowing books.
Okay, very good. They're borrowing books. Next,
I choose number 14.
14. What's he doing at the library?
He's borrowing books.
Okay, very good. It's borrowing books. Okay, next.
I choose number 2.
2. Okay. What are they doing at the supermarket?
They are buying groceries.
Okay, very good. They're buying groceries. And next,
I choose number 11.
11. Okay, what are they doing at the post office?
They are mailing letters.
Very good. They are mailing letters. So next.
I choose number 3.
What are they doing at the movie theater?
They are watching a movie.
Okay, very good. They are watching movie.
I choose number 13.
Okay, what are they doing at the park?
They are kicking a ball.
Okay, very good. They are kicking a ball. So next.
I choose number 4.
Okay, 4. What's she doing at the park?
She's kicking a ball.
Okay, very good. She's kicking a ball. So next, we only have 2 numbers left.
I choose number 9.
Number 9. Okay. Okay, if you still remember, what is it?
Is an ice cream.
Is it an ice cream?
Is
Starts with letter M. Milk.
Is a milkshake.
Okay, very good. It's a milkshake. I think it's our lesson 1. This lesson. Okay, so very good. So last number. What's she doing at the post office?
She's mailing letters.
Okay, very good. So nice job. Wow. Good job for this review. So now let's have our next lesson. So let me just open the next lesson here. Unit 3. Ayan. Unit 3. Where's that? Wait. Oh, this one. Okay. So we will have another lesson right now, which is a story or another story. Oh, I think we already finished this one. Unit 2, lesson 3. Oh, we're finished for this one. Why is that? Okay, let me just check. Okay. Oh, no. No. Okay, we're still not finished. Have we already discussed this one? No, right? This is a new lesson. Okay. I think it's another student. Okay, let me just open this. So we will have another lesson since you had finished our lesson 2. So we will go further in our lesson 3. So what is our lesson 3 all about?
Story.
Okay, very good. So it's all about story. So let's listen to a story that we have here. And teacher has questions after we listen to the story. So let me just open the sound that we have here for the story. Unit 2, 27.
Page 16. Lesson 3. Story. A. Talk about the story. Then listen and read. It's over there. The man is lost.
Excuse me, where's the post office?
The post office? It's across from the library.
Where's the library?
Well, it's between the school and the restaurant. It's...
The school?
Yes, the school is across from the supermarket, and that's next to the post office. See?
Well,
The post office? It's over there.
I see it. Thank you.
Okay, one more time. Let's listen to it one more time.
Page 16. Lesson 3. Story. A. Talk about the story. Then listen and read. It's over there. The man is lost.
Excuse me, where's the post office?
The post office? It's across from the library.
Where's the library?
Well, it's between the school and the restaurant. It's.
The school.
Yes, the school is across from the supermarket, and that's next to the post office. See?
Well,
The post office? It's over there.
I see it. Thank you.
Okay, so now let's listen once again to the first scenario that we have here. This one. Let me just again.
Story. A. Talk about the story. Then listen and read. It's over there. The man is lost.
Excuse me, where's the post office?
The post office? It's across from the library.
Okay, so based in the audio or the first scenario that we have here, so this man is lost. And what is the place that he is finding?
Where's the post office?
Okay, very good. So where's the post office? So it's the post office that this man is finding. Now, according to this two-person or this man or this boy, where's the post office?
Is across. Is across.
Across from, it is the place where we borrow books.
Library.
Okay, very good. Okay, nice. So the post office is across from the library. Okay, so next, let's listen to the next scenario.
Where's the library?
Well, it's between the school and the restaurant. It's.
The school.
Yes, the school is across from the supermarket, and that's next to the post office. See?
Okay, so now, based on this, what is the question that this man asked?
Where's the library?
Okay, very good. Where's the library? And based on what the boy said, where is the library?
Is between the school and the post office.
Is it the post office is across from the library? What is this? Let me just zoom it. Can we zoom it? Oh. Okay, what is this place? This one. What is this place? It is a place where people eat.
Restaurant.
Okay, very good. So it is the restaurant. So where is the library mean?
It's between the school and the restaurant.
Okay, very good. So it's between the school and the restaurant. So now let's listen once again. So where is the school?
Yes, The school is across from the supermarket, and that's next to the post office. See?
Okay, so now Min, where is the school?
The school is across from the supermarket.
Okay, very good. Across from the supermarket. And where is the supermarket?
The supermarket is is across from the school.
Okay, aside from it is across from the school, what is the place? Oh, this is the supermarket. So what is this place?
House of peace
Yes, post office. So what is or where is the supermarket? It is
is in
what shall we use if something is beside something?
is
Starts with letter N.
is is
N-E.
next to the house of it.
Okay, very good. So remember, so we will use the word next to. So if something is beside something. So very good. So you are correct that it is across from the supermarket. But I also want you to create a sentence about the post office. So very good. So it's next to the post office. And what is the word? So this girl. So this girl is pointing to something. What is the word that she had used to point? Okay, let's listen first.
Well,
The post office? It's over there.
I see it. Thank you.
Okay, so what is the word or phrase?
The house of it is over there.
Okay, very good. It's over there. So the girl used the word or phrase, it's over there. So it is the title of this story, it's over there. So this phrase, so we use it to point to a place that is close to us. So it's over there. So we will point to a place. So we will use the phrase, it's over there. So now, can you read the whole story that we have here, starting from the title itself?
It's over there. The man is lost. Excuse me, where's the post office? The post office is across from the library. Where's the library? Well, it's between the school and the restaurant. Is yes, the school. Yes, the school is across from the supermarket and just next to the post office. See, well, the post office is over there. I see it.
Okay, very
Thank you.
good. Okay, very good. So nice job, Mean. So that is our story, which is all about it's over there. So now let's have the value here. So can you read this value that we have for this story?
Be helpful.
Be helpful. Okay. So I have a question for you regarding this value. So if you see someone looking confused and has questions, what will you do? So if you see someone like this man, for example, this man is lost and he cannot see where is the post office or the place that he is finding. And as you are a local in the place where you are, So you know the place or you know where the place is. So what will you do if you see someone like
I
this man?
I will li-
From the word itself, helpful.
I
What
will
will you?
be helpful.
Okay, very good. I will be helpful, or I will help the man. Okay, the man or the woman. So very good. So this is what our value talks about. Be helpful. So being helpful means doing something kind to make another person's life easier. For example, when your mother or mom is going to the supermarket, so you will help your mom carry the groceries. So that is being helpful. Another example is when you are at a library and your friend doesn't know where the library is. So you will show your friend where is the library. So that is how, or that is being helpful, or be helpful. So now I have another question for you. So in your house, how can you be helpful at home? Or how can you help your parents at your house or at your home? I can.
I will helpful by by by
Do you help your mother wash your dishes?
yes
Yes, okay. So that's one
by
example.
by the by, by the washing clothes.
Okay, very good. Wow, by washing clothes. Nice. So that is being helpful at your house. How about at school? Mean, how can you be helpful at school?
Yeah, I can be helpful by um, have have
By by give do you have a friend at school?
yes
Okay, and what do you do to help them at most times? Do you help them with their homework?
with the hunger
Okay, very good. So I can be helpful by
by helping them
on.
on their homework.
Okay, so that is being helpful. So nice. Very good. So before we end our lesson here, I think we can answer two questions here. So first, let's read the number one and you will answer if it's a yes or if it's a no. So can you first read?
Yes,
Okay. The man.
yes,
Yes, okay, your answer is correct. Your answer is yes. Okay, I thought you'll be reading this one. Okay, so the man is lost. Is number one is yes. Okay, so before answering, can you first read? Okay, this one.
no,
A no is going to the supermarket. Yes, it is a no. And where is the man going?
he's going to the post office.
Okay, very good. So nice job. Okay, so I think it's close to our time because another teacher is going into the classroom. I think she has a class after ours. So thank you very much for your active participation today, Min. And see you again. I think we have a class next Wednesday. Okay, so see you. Goodbye. Bye bye. You did a
Goodbye,
great job
teacher.
today. Goodbye.